Welcome to OSA. This video is to demonstrate an upcoming upgrade to the OSA Screens application. This upgrade will allow users to create, install, and share custom screen controls. Most tasks or screens can be created by using default built-in controls, much like the state image, property label, click image, navigation image, timer label. Even the camera viewer, the web browser are all built-in controls. But every now and then you may find your need to create a custom control. This will now be possible. Based on a plug-in theory, much like the plugins we have now, users will be able to download and install custom screen controls. For purposes of this demonstration, I have created custom screen control plugins for both the weather and the video stream viewer screen controls. For starters, you will notice a new folder in the OSA directory named User Controls. Just like the plugins folder, this will be where custom screen controls are installed. As you can see, I already have two of my controls installed here. Let's look at the weather control. Looks a lot like a plug-in, doesn't it? Well, it's almost basically the same. We still have a screenshot for an icon image of the control. You have your user control actual DLL file. You also have a description file, which ends in OSA UD for user control description. And then you have your user control description editor, just like you have with a plugin. If we open the description file, you'll see this too looks much like a plugin. You can set the name, generate an ID, set your version. Is it stable, beta, alpha, whatever. You can set an author. You can put in some wiki information if you would like. And you can put in a short description. Under the installation tab, here too, just like plugins, you will set the destination folder and the main file to be used in the plugin. And also any additional assemblies you need to add here also. Once you have all your information, save the description file by going to File, Save. Then click on Create Package. This is going to package up your control and make it to where it is now sendable to someone else. Your package will end in OSA UC for OSA User Control. Installation is not really required, as you can just copy your files here under the User Controls folder. You just create another folder and name it and then put your files in here. But if you download it from somebody and you receive it as a single file, as an OSA UC, it'll be a lot easier to use the installer. To install a custom user plugin, just go to your Screens app and right click, go to Add Control, and at the very bottom you'll see Install User Control. You'll click on this and then you will navigate to your control. Here is our weather control, so we'll double click it, and next will come up the install. Click on Install to install the plugin. Basically all it's going to do is unzip the OSA UC file into the directory and the folder that it's supposed to for you. I'm not going to click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I already have these installed. Next, I'll show you how to use the custom control in the Screens application. I'll navigate over here to a blank screen I've created already, and then I'll right click, Add Control, User Control. Next, the User Control screen will come up. You'll notice in this drop down it will show you all the user controls that have been installed. I'm going to select the video stream viewer control. After selecting the control, the bottom part of the screen will show you some information, your snapshot, and this is where you obtain any information needed for the control. For example, the video stream viewer needs to know which camera to view or to stream from. So down here I have it looking through the database and pulling out all the IP camera objects. I only have one installed or set up right now, and it's my office cam, so I'm going to add it. And then I click Add. Let me refresh my screen, and there is our video viewer. I know I'm not getting any video on my camera right now as my power supply took a crap last week. But this does show you how easy it is and how very nicely this is working to where now we can create custom user controls and add them into our Screens program. That's about it for now. Stay tuned as I will be creating a video to explain my Visual Studio template for creating custom user controls. And I'm looking forward to all the nifty ideas y'all come up with for user controls. This will be great for like a thermostat or a remote for a TV, or maybe a joystick for your IP camera to be able to do your pan and tilts with a joystick. Anyhow, appreciate you watching and have a great day.